Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Java on mobile. First, select a suitable mobile integrated development environment or code editor for Java programming. Next, ensure your mobile device meets the minimum system requirements for these tools. Finally, download and install any necessary Java development kit components directly onto your device. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth learning experience, allowing you to write and run code efficiently from anywhere. Once your setup is complete, focus on mastering Java fundamentals. Begin by understanding basic syntax, variables, and data types. Then, delve into control flow statements like if else and loops, which dictate program execution. Crucially, practice object-oriented programming principles such as encapsulation and inheritance. Consistent practice with these core concepts will build a strong foundation for more complex Java development on your mobile device. Now, let's apply your knowledge to mobile Java development. Explore mobile-friendly Java frameworks and libraries that streamline coding on smaller screens. Start working on small, practical coding projects to solidify your understanding and build confidence. Remember to utilize the vast array of online resources and developer communities available. They offer invaluable support and new techniques, helping you overcome challenges and expand your skills effectively. To continue your growth, delve into advanced data structures and algorithms to optimize your Java code for performance. Consider contributing to open-source Java projects. This provides invaluable real-world experience and collaboration opportunities. Finally, commit to staying updated with new Java features, best practices, and emerging mobile development trends. Continuous learning is key to becoming a proficient Java developer, even when learning primarily on a mobile platform.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.